Hello, this is Mrs. Reister with Lesson 5.3, Example 4. Terry deposits $200 into a bank account and earns 3% simple interest per year. What is the total amount of interest he will earn after 2 years? And what will the total amount in the account be after those 2 years? So he's got $200 invested at 3% interest. For 2 years. Now, if you can recall from the first video, we've got a formula that we can use to find our interest. And that formula is, to find the interest, we take the principal times the rate times the time. So our principal here is $200. We're going to turn that rate of 3% into a decimal, which is 0.03, and our time is the 2 years. So we're going to take 200 times 0.03 times 2, which is 12. So our $12 is our interest. Now to find the total amount in the account, we're going to take the principal plus the interest to find the actual value, which is $212. So our final answer here is there is $212 in Terry's account.